everyone, welcome to the 35th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ from English Department Sonada, 3rd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. 10th Graduation Day held in Siliguri Campus amid COVID protocol within the Calcutta of Mass Communication 5th semester reports.
The 10th Graduation Day 2021 was organized at Salesian College Siliguri for the batch of 2018-19 on 30th November. The program started with a photo session and the solemn entrance of graduating students to the open-air Gillian Hall, accompanied by faculty members, HODs, the vice principals, rector and principal, and the chief guest, Dr. Nupur Das, President, Undergraduate Council, University of North Bengal. After a detailed report by Principal and Rector, Father Professor George Thalathil, Chief Guest Dr. Nupur Das spoke, congratulating faculty members and encouraging students. Several students were recognized for their outstanding achievements and contribution to college community. Among them were BCom student Santoshi Kumar Prasad, who secured the highest CGPA of 9 out of 10 and also gave the valedictory speech. The 2-hour function held under COVID-19 protocol concluded with the oath-taking ceremony.
Sonada campus holds Investiture Ceremony. Shreyosi Saha of Mass Communication 3rd semester reports.
To abide and live by.
Today on 1st December 2021, Salesian College Sonada had a major event, Investiture Ceremony, in which the new student council and the class representatives were elected.
A servant leadership.
Leadership is the quality which a student should possess for their social upbringing.
Is that they're expected to fulfill their duty well. Now they have the power in their hand as per their limit, of course, and together with their power comes responsibility, and the